Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and today we are making chili garlic prawns. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. So today's ingredients consist of jumbo prawns, garlic, ginger, pepper, spring onion, sesame seed, soy sauce, olive oil, sriracha and crushed chili. We would fry the prawns first. So we preheat the pan with olive oil and add the jumbo prawns. As it cooks, it shrinks. We will cook this for 5 minutes on each side. And once it's completed, we will add garlic, ginger and crushed chili together. We would allow that to cook for 5 to 10 minutes and then we will add brown sugar, soy sauce, sriracha sauce and water. We will leave that in for about 10 minutes for it to simmer and then we will add the prawns to it. Once the prawns is added, we will allow that to all cook together for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then we can dress it with the sesame seeds, spring onions and chilies. And voila, here is the end result. I am going to have this with a slice of bread and a white wine. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!